For decades, Williams Brothers Corporation of America has built a reputation for precision, reliability, and manufacturing excellence. But the companies that lead an industry never stop improving. Because when you're committed to being the best, the next step is simple. You get better.
How do we as a manufacturing plant combat all this variation? We have to invest in the future, and that future is equipment like the GEMA manual booth behind me. This manual booth sports an OptiColor quick change color system. Our operators only have to change the colors by just changing a simple tube. You click the color, we change the tube, and we get your product to you faster.
What sets our company apart is simple. We never stop looking for ways to improve. While we're proud to be the largest and most successful access door manufacturer, our focus is on continually raising the bar for our customers. Our new paint line is a direct investment in that promise. It significantly expands our production capacity, allowing us to move more doors through our facility faster and more efficiently than ever before.
The GEMA Smart III system represents the next generation of powder coating technology, bringing precision, efficiency, and consistency to our finishing process. This investment expands our finishing capacity and allows Williams Brothers Corporation of America to produce more product, move faster, and maintain the quality our customers rely on. For architects and contractors, performance matters. Every component must be durable, consistent, and ready to perform in demanding environments.
The booth is inside of a brand new environmental room that's AC cooled in the summer, so all the operators have to do is worry about powder coating your product and getting it to you in a quality process. They also have a large part platform. They also have a large part opening. There's better sight for the product, brand new LED lights. All of this is for our operators, but more importantly, for you as a customer.
Here at Williams Brothers Corporation of America, manufacturing has always been about improving the process. In today's environment, efficiency, quality, and reliability are more important than ever. That's why we invested in a new automated paint booth system designed to improve both speed and consistency in our finishing process. This system allows us to apply a precise, even coating to every access door while increasing our production capacity. Automation like this helps us maintain the high standards our customers expect while keeping up with growing demand. It also allows our team to focus on quality and efficiency throughout the entire production line. At Williams Brothers Corporation of America, we believe manufacturing should never stand still. We're always looking for ways to improve our processes and deliver better products to our customers. This new automated paint system is just one more step forward. In manufacturing, improvement never stops, and neither do we. I, Angie Williams, owner and president of this company, thank you, the customer, very much for helping us reach this level.
This investment represents more than new equipment. It represents a commitment to modern manufacturing, advanced automation, and American industry. Williams Brothers Corporation of America. When the best demand more from themselves, the entire industry moves forward.